Welcome to your morning affirmations for a brighter day. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. I am filled with gratitude for this new day. I embrace the possibilities and opportunities that lie ahead. Today, I choose to radiate positivity and kindness in everything I do. I trust in my abilities and believe in my strength. I release all worries and doubts, knowing that I am capable of overcoming any challenge that comes my way. I am surrounded by love and support. I am worthy of receiving love, and I am open to giving love freely. My heart is full, and I am at peace with myself and the world around me. As I step into this new day, I am filled with joy and optimism. I embrace the beauty of life and cherish each moment as it unfolds. Today is a gift, and I am ready to make the most of it. Today, I choose joy over worry. I am grateful for the opportunity to experience a new day. I trust in my ability to handle any challenges that come my way. My mind is clear, and my body is energized for the day ahead. I attract positivity and abundance into my life. I am worthy of love and success in all areas of my life. I release all fears and doubts and embrace confidence and self-assurance. I am surrounded by supportive and loving people who uplift me. Every step I take leads me closer to my goals and dreams. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any obstacles. I am the architect of my life, and I choose to build it with positivity and purpose. Today, I let go of what I can't control and focus on what I can. I radiate love, kindness, and compassion to everyone I encounter. I am deserving of all the good things that come my way. I am enough, just as I am, and I am worthy of all the blessings life has to offer. I trust in the universe to guide me towards my highest good. My possibilities are endless, and I am open to new opportunities. I choose to see the beauty and abundance in every moment. I am proud of who I am and how far I've come on my journey. Today, I choose peace over stress and calm over chaos. I am in alignment with my true purpose and passion in life. I am a magnet for success and prosperity. I am grateful for the lessons of yesterday and excited for the blessings of today. I release all negative thoughts and embrace a mindset of positivity and gratitude. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am worthy of love, respect, and kindness from myself and others. I trust in my intuition to guide me towards the right path. I am surrounded by opportunities for growth and transformation. Today, I choose to focus on the present moment and let go of the past. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my inner wisdom. I am a beacon of light and positivity, inspiring those around me. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and prosperity. I am enough just as I am, and I deserve all the good things life has to offer. I release all self-doubt and step into my power with confidence. I am worthy of success, happiness, and fulfillment in all areas of my life. I trust in the timing of my life and know that everything happens for a reason. I am grateful for the gift of today and the opportunity to create a life I love. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I am surrounded by love, positivity, and abundance in every aspect of my life. Today, I choose to embrace joy, gratitude, and love in all that I do. Take a moment to carry these affirmations with you throughout your day. Remember, you are powerful, you are worthy, and you are loved. Have a beautiful day filled with positivity and light.